Hi everyone, this is Smart Tech again. In this video, I would like to show you what software I use for my video editing. So this is CapCut right here. So first thing what you're going to do, you download this whole software, then you come and click here. That's a logo for CapCut, okay? Click here, double click it, and then this window will pop up, okay? So when this window pop up, no matter what you have here, no matter what you guys here, okay, you click here for new project, okay. So when you get to this window, you can see all of their things are here. These tabs such as media, okay, audio, text, and everything, all these tabs here, okay. So we will go over in a second how do you bring this any video if you want to. So you come here, click and import, okay. You click any video, okay, say I don't know, this one, wavepad, click it, it will come here, okay, and then you drag it to here, okay. So when you drag it here, here's the button you can cut, okay. You can cut your video, okay. Cut from left, cut from right. Say I want to stop here and I'm gonna do this, so it will delete this thing, okay, from right to left and then right to left, okay. If you made this by mistake, okay, so as you can see, this image is already here, or this reel or this video, whatever you want to call it, is here, right? So I could expand, I could have as many layers as I can. Copy, paste, okay. I have 2 layers, 3 layers, okay. That's the advanced kind of work, okay. So look, if you run this, right, all 3 reels, if you run together, how it shows. Step 4, step 5, and all that, okay. So it's right here. All those steps, step 1, okay, step 2, step 3, right. All of these will run parallels, okay. Video, okay, all of these are video editing. Sorry, some of the features are pro version, you have to pay for that, but this program is free and this program is offline. Audio, right, volume, up and down, fade in, fade out, and loudness, normalization, and all of those features are right here, okay. It's pretty fun to work with this one. So you can check speed, you can do faster, lower, then you could do animation, tracking, adjustment, and all that thing. Also, it has a feature, let me go all the way in the back, right? If you come all the way down here, okay, and then you select it, wherever you want to select it, right? Keep coming, and then you click here, okay. So when you come here, right, you click on this one right here, the red button, right, undo. So you can voice over, okay. This is running, you can voice over, you can voice over all whatever you want to do, it will record, okay. You can change your voice, okay. And then you come here, so that's the mp3 or recording file right here, okay. Keep coming, and then you hit play. This is running. Effects, record, tool, voice. You can voice over whatever you want to voice over. You can change your voice to the woman, or you can change your voice to the man, or man to woman, whatever you want to do it. Also, it's a bookmark. Okay, so it's right here. do not take any action, whatever you want to do it. So you can do, you cannot do anything at this point. Do you know why you cannot? Like, it's not, this thing is not coming while you click here, because this thing is open. Okay, it take me a while to figure out. If this thing open, you cannot do anything here. So you need to close this one, and then the regular original file come back. Okay, whatever you want to do it. Okay, all of this right here, all of these are right here. So for example, if you want to import more videos of more things, so look, as soon as I do the voiceover here, another file generated here. Okay, and if you want to do another, if you want to bring another video, you click here, click whatever, part 1, part B, part 2, you could select all, right, and click open. It will appears here. It means you have to drag it here. Okay, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, all that good things. Okay, then library, if you want to do library, it will tell you all of the related video what you got. You could download, you could whatever you want to do it. What is trending right now, as you can see, it will show you trend videos. It show you green screen. Okay, it show you background, introduction and end. Whatever you said, you click it, it will come like this. Okay, AI generator. Okay, hi, it is time to create a list with prompt. Okay, you have to sign in with this library. Whatever you save here, it stays over here. Okay, image, video, then text if you want to add text. Okay, stickers, all of these stickers if you want to add like thunder, whatever. Then you have a, so this one, if you click it, it has to be, this one you have to be connected to the internet. Okay, so whatever you're saying, it will text turn in your voice turn into the text. Okay, it will start writing all that script, adjustment, and all these. Okay, so for sake of argument, we complete this. Okay, we complete all of these things, right? And then what we want to do, we don't need no adjustment, we don't need no nothing. So if you are not happy what is happening, so you go in back. Okay, everything is gone. Okay, you back click it, you keep back click it, you can go where you began. Okay, then again you come here. What the hell is that? You come here, you click here. Okay, then you go to video, and all of these right here. So you say you are done with all of these videos, right? Then you hit export. Okay, this thing comes. So here's the thing. Export to right here. That's a major place where you want to save your file. I'm saving this to say on the desktop. Okay, say I'm saving this to the desktop. Okay, select folder, you can make any folder here. New folder, where's the new folder right here? New folder, click it and select. Okay, and then you place user admin desktop. Whatever video you want to choose, recommended is 1080p. Bright rate I keep higher. Code, just keep these, all of these like as it is. Okay, 30 frame per second, keep it this, and then you come all the way down right here and you click export. It's starting. Okay, this program does not require internet. Okay, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, so you double click on it. Okay, and then step 4, step 5, and all that. Okay, all those steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4 and the last. So here's the video, right, what we did then. So it's pretty easy process. And also the thing is that what I like most, this thing is all of this feature, so you could like crop this. Okay, so you want to do this only this frame, only that frame, whatever you want to select, you could select it called cropping. Okay, also you just hit confirm right here. And also you could say, you click here in this part, you want to turn around, like, okay, left, right, horizontal, upside down, all that. You see that? Horizontal, upside down, whatever you want to do it. You see that video is changing, frame is changing. Okay, but you get the message. Okay. Also, and it has another feature. You click it here when you connect to the internet. You click it here, right? This process take place. It will move all of your. It will take all of your. This process start here, okay, right here. So it will take all of your gaps, all of your mutes, all of your repeated word, everything. It will be take out. I think it's pretty great program for offline desktop free program. I think it's a great one. So I use this most of the time, and it's pretty much it. I don't know what else to tell you guys, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.